Hey everybody, welcome back to the Beaded Jewel. I'm Rochelle, and today's video is going to be on how to make a toggle clasp for the Russian spiral. I usually like to use a magnetic clasp like this one here. That's what I like to use, and that's already in my video. That the Russian spirals, the few videos that I have on my YouTube channel. But I'm going to show you, some people like a toggle clasp, so I'm going to show you how to put this on, attach this, as you can see here. Get a little closer so maybe you can see. So that's what we're going to do today. And I have my little mini Russian spiral made here already. And I'm just going to show you how to do the clasp. And then when you actually make the Russian spiral, you use all 11OC beads. But for the clasp, we're going to need some 8OC beads here. They're over here, sorry. The 8OC beads are here. And we're going to still need some 11OC beads here. Okay, so we just finished the Russian spiral, and now we have to finish it off, and I'll show you how we do that before we add a clasp. Now this part is already in one of my in both of the videos I have on my channel already, but I figure I'll just go ahead and do it here. So let's go. We're gonna pick up 5 11Os, and we're coming out of this C bead here. We're going to go right into the next C bead in front of that next bicone right there, and you're going to do that 2 more times. 5 11Os, I think I got 6 more in there, into that next 11O after the next bicone. And we'll do that one more time. Oh, come on. There we go. And then go up through the next 3 C beads right here, just to secure that round. Okay, so now we're going to pick up 1 11O, and we're going to count 1 2 3 4 5 6, go on that 6 C bead, and this is where we're going to start closing up this hole. You'll be able to see it right here. You see how that starts to close up. And we're going to do that 2 more times. And we're going to count 1 2 3 4 5 6. There we go. And 1 more time. Find a 1 2 3 4 5 6. Just want to make sure you can see that. And you can see how that closes up there. Okay. Now, just for camera purposes, I'm going to get rid of these 11O beads. I'm just going to get this out of the way because then my camera won't focus on what I'm doing in my hand. It likes to focus on the background. Alright, so we got our 8Os here. And then what I want to do right now, okay, is I'm just going to go around this inner little, these few inner beads here, just like right around here. just to secure it a little bit. You don't want to go in them too much because you have to go back and forth to add on these 8/0 beads. So let's see. Okay, I think that's good. It looks nice and tight. Just going to go in those two. And then I just want to make sure. I don't like that one. I'm going to go in this. The other one is too tight. So let me try this one. Okay, just trying to check the two that I need to go back and forth to put the loop on for the clasp. I think those are good. So I'm going to be going in and out of these two right here. So I'm going to pick up 4 8/0s. Let's see, I haven't done this in a long time. Hold on. That's actually 8s. I'm going to pick up 8 of these. Like I said, I always use a magnetic clasp. It's much easier. 4, 6, 7, 8. But to use a toggle clasp, you have to put this little loop on so you can actually get this toggle through it. See? Because if the toggle is attached down here, you're not going to be able to. You're going to have a hard time getting that on. All right. So I have 8 on. I'm just going to go grab one of my toggles here. Come on, this part of my toggle. No, let me take this 4 off. I'll do 4 at a time because it looks like okay. With that, then I'll put this on, then I'll add the other 4. I thought it would be okay to go through the hole, but that hole looks a little small on that toggle clasp. Okay, so this is what we have here. And we're coming out of here. I'm going to go right across into this one. Come on. And there you go. And then all we're going to do now is we're going to go around here a few more times. So we're going to go back up those. I'm trying to position it so you can see it. Okay. So we're coming out of here. We're going to go back up here. You can see that. Back through the toggle. And back through the 4 here. And you want to do that a few times so it's nice and snug. And I'm going to go back this way through the anchoring 11/0 down there. Back up through the 8/0s here. Back down the other 8/0s on the other side. And we're going to try to go back through don't know if I can. Don't know if that's too tight. Might be a little too tight. Let me try to pull it through. Yeah, it might be a little too tight for that 11-0 down there, but that's fine. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to weave. Just trying to see where I want to go. Let's see if I want to go here. I'm just going to start weaving it in to the other 8-0s here. I think I'm going to go here. So you can see I came out of here, I went into the C bead, and then the one next to it right there. Just trying to make sure this is clear. And then that's nice and snug. So let's see, I don't know if I want to go back into this one. Can I get in there? Yeah. And then I'm going to try to go back in here. See, we anchored that a little better. I pulled right in. And I'm going to go right into this one. And now, I know I can't go in back in there because that was tight. So I'm going to start coming out of here. I'm going to go over here and work my way down. Let's see how this is. So this is bead weaving. You see how that tightened right up? You're weaving in and out of the beads. And if you want to, you can use a few more, 8-0s in here to make it a little bit longer. So it's easier, to get in the other part here. Let's see, that looks good. And then I just like to take and go back down, which is also in my other video, go back down my C beads here. I'll go back down, and then you just want to knot it off. I'll go in here. And I just do a few half hitch knots, and I do it, I'll go down the spy cone, and I'll do like a half hitch knot here, just to secure that there. And then I'll weave it in a little bit more and do another half hitch knot somewhere else. So that's basically it. Come on, let's go. Doesn't want to go in there. Let's go. Alright, that's it. So you just do the other end the exact same way. I hope this video helps you. Don't forget your half hitch knots there. And that's it. I'm trying to think of anything else, but that's it. You can also use 11-0s to do this if you want to use your 11-0s rather than 8-0s. So there you go. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comments, and I always see them and I will respond if you need any help. But that's it. That's how you add a toggle clasp to your Russian spiral here. There you go, folks. So I hope you find the video helpful. I hope it works for you. But I do think the magnetic clasp is much better for this bracelet. Just, you know, FYI. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.